are going to prepare the chicken bone rasam. Ingredients for the chicken bone rasam is some chicken bones, salt, turmeric powder, tamarind, coriander seeds, pepper, cumin, and curry leaves, green chilli, onion, red chilli, 2 small pieces of ginger, and garlic with the outer skin. Now I am going to prepare the tamarind solution. For that I am going to add 1 cup of water. I am using the cup size, this one, and add tamarind into that one and mix it well. Mix it properly and make thick solution. Guys, now the tamarind solution is ready. I am going to prepare the spice mixer. For that one, we need to grind all the mixtures. We need 3 tablespoons of coriander seeds, and 1 spoon of pepper. There's also 1 spoon of cumin seeds, three red chilli, and 2 pieces of ginger, and also garlic with the outer skin, and 1 leaflet of curry leaves. Grind the mixture well. Don't grind it fully, just a little bit of grinding is enough. We have to make like this. And this is the pan I am going to use for the cooking. This clay pot, this is good for health. Now I am going to add all the ingredients into the clay pot. I am going to add the bones, tamarind solution, onion, green chilli, and curry leaves. I am going to add like this, and the salt, and little amount of turmeric powder. And also add 2 cups of water and boil this one. Now I am going to boil the mixture. Keep the cooker in same mode. Boil until 10 minutes. It boiled well. And now I am going to add the spice mixer. And mix it. Now it cooked well. After 2 minutes, I am going to add the Asafoetida, little amount, and off the cooker. Now the rasam is ready. It is one of the main Tamil dish. It's good for digestion. You try this, you will love it. Thank you guys for watching.